Say hi, Fuzzy. He just had a treat. Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday. We are currently at Red Rock, about to go hiking. You can kind of see a little bit here. We're trying to figure out which trail to do, because last time we did one and the whole thing was rocks. Like, not like climbing up rocks, but like within the flat ground there was like rocks sticking out of the dirt. Which it was just uncomfortable. It was uncomfortable for Hendrix. It was uncomfortable for everybody. So we're gonna try to find something that's like more sand or something more stable. So we're gonna have to go through the maps and see what there is, and then we'll go ahead and decide that way. We're trying to do something close to like, I don't know, maybe 2 hours or so. Nothing too crazy, but also nothing too short. So yeah, I will show you guys once we pick a trail and once we get on that said trail. Was it good? It's good? Oh. All right, so I'll see you guys in a minute.
What's up, boy? What's up, boy?
I didn't even see you go up that way.
What's good is stay calm, man. We out here having a mental health day. I got the lady with me. It's windy as shit. She mad, cold, got a smoothie in her hand.
Tell them what you didn't do.
I definitely didn't pack a jacket. After she told me to pack a jacket, got my dog. Look at this dude. Bro having fun, but he naked. He ain't got no hoodie.
Why? Why he ain't got no hoodie?
Cause I ain't packed no hoodie, bro.
No, cause you took it off. He had it on.
And here we are. Look at my guy. He's gonna have hella fun. 6 miles, White Rock Loop. It's beautiful, man. Get outside, touch some grass, feel the earth, man. We human. Yes, sir. Hello.
I keep feeling water drops on my forehead
Inconsistent.
and face. And I'm letting y'all know right now, if it starts raining,
Might as well take off like that.
I'm running to the car. Look at these clouds. Look how dark it gets. Look at these clouds. Ain't nothing. We're gonna see. This one.
It's a beautiful Saturday. Got the missus enjoying the nature walk. We out here on the White Rock Trail. A little light mist, but it feels good, man. Light breeze. Light breeze. She's back there hurting, cramping. Not fucking with it. Nose running. Jury blinging, yeah. Big Zon. Big Zon.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a violin. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for seductive you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Really having it like on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. Really having it.
These little cheap ass markers, bro. They be putting these motherfuckers everywhere, but except for where they need to be at, bro. We've been on this trail for 6 fucking miles.
Yeah, we almost walked through this because we didn't know where the trail was, but we're almost there. We're about 4 hours in. I'm like, maybe like 3. Maybe like 3. But it's snowed, it's rain, it's been hot, it's cold, it's windy.
Hey, tell them what this is. Hey,
Look at, you can see it.
you guys, we out here for mental health. We out here for preparation. Cause y'all finna see these godlike bodies on this Mexico trip, okay?
It's so cold, I got a brain freeze.
I know she ain't worried about it.
I'm ready to get to the car.
I'm good, man. It's the night.
My poor doggy. We're almost there though. This rain ain't it. Oh, fuck.
We're about 5 miles in on this hike. She back there hurting. Weather feeling like weather is doo-doo. We ain't signed up for this shit. I love Mother Nature, man. But I ain't messing with the rain right now, man. This ain't it. My wife back there, she hating me right now. I ain't know the weather was gonna be this bad. My dog, look, he hurting. That boy out here like, what's happening? Her nose running. You got any words?
Listen to my gut.
Listen to the gut. We saw it drizzling. We didn't know it was gonna be a full-on hurricane out this motherfucker, man. Almost to the car, bro. Gotta keep going. Let's go. Man, 6 miles, 10 miles, and this fucking weather, rain, hurricane. We did it. I ain't doing this shit again, man. Not in the rain. I ain't signed up for this shit. She mad at me. Yeah. We made it. We in the car. Got through that treacherous hike. My wife is upset. I'm upset. I ain't signed up for this weather. The dog is he's real happy. He's cozy. I will tell you that. Sorry, Fuzz. We ain't signed up for that, brother. Look at him. Aww, I love you, boy. Love you, Fuzzy. Sorry, buddy.
I was like, fuck you.
I know. Go ahead, tell him what it is.
Just look at my lashes. That's enough. Let's just see better. You are so.
Came out here, no jacket. It was supposed to be 70 degrees. It was damn 45 with a 30-degree wind chill or some shit. Bro, I'm just drenched. Can't wait to go home, take a shower, man. It's gonna be a beautiful Saturday. Ready to just keep going up, man. We made it. She's struggling. We'll be all right, though. We'll be all right. Until next time.